In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 0x8024a105 on Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now just head to your search menu and type in Troubleshoot Settings. After that, just go ahead and click on Open on the right side. And now after you have done that, the Settings Troubleshoot menu will open up for you. Click on Other Troubleshooters. And now just go ahead and run the Windows Update Troubleshoot. So this screen will open up for you. That's the Windows Update Troubleshoot. You can follow through with the order and instructions, so you can finish the troubleshoot. So if you still have a problem, the second method you can do is you can go ahead to your search menu again and type in CMD, which is command prompt. Then click on Run as Administrator. So now that you have done that, the command prompt window will open up for you. Then go ahead, type SFC //scan now, then hit Enter. So now that you have done that, just wait for the scan to check someplace. And then just go ahead, restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. And I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.